Bullish stepn, GMT, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.24 and $2.33 by 2030. Market investigators accept GMT could reach $0.961024 by 2025. Bearish stepn market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.219663. stepn, GMT, presentation. As we probably are aware, this article is about stepn cost expectation. On the whole, we should view the fundamental presentation of this cash in the event that you need a decent profit from your beneficial speculation from it. stepn, the primary NFT drive in light of the transition to procure idea, is a sound way of life application with social money, social, and play to acquire, games, viewpoints. Jerry Huang and Yuan Rong, two Australian programming designers, helped to establish stepn in August 2021. stepn won the 2021 Solana Start Hacking Rivalry prior to getting a $5 million subsidizing round from private value behemoth Sequoia Capital. The Green Metaverse token, GMT, the stepn's administration token, was made accessible on Solana in WAC 2022. Holders of GMT can propose and settle on project progressions and depository dispersion. Prior to making a stepn cost, we look at what is GMT, stepn. Also, GMT, stepn specialized and crucial investigation? We should check it out. What is stepn, GMT? stepn is a Web3 move to procure portable application with parts for social and gaming finance, Gamefi and Socialfi. Find Satoshi Lab, an Australian fintech studio, is the gathering behind stepn. The task chips away at the Solana blockchain, and its center thought relies upon moving around, which is a great many people's ordinary movement. At the 2021 Solana Start Hackathon, stepn wrapped the third next in line and was the primary undertaking to coordinate the move to acquire idea practically. The objective of the game part of stepn is to urge a great many clients to embrace a better way of life, battle environmental change, and abstain from driving high outflow cars. Then again, the social money part of stepn plans to foster a stage that advances client-created Web3 content. stepn utilizes a two-layered symbolic framework. GMT and GST are the two sorts of tokens accessible in the biological system, and each can be gained in an unexpected way. The vertical gauge pattern line in the specialized examination is the most probable pattern after such a breakout, with the GMT value starting and market cap to challenge its new opposition levels. These examinations are perky regardless of whether there is an overall feeling of a bear market that could pervade the crypto business. stepn is right now worth $0.274578 United States dollars. GMT has moved 0.55% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $52,299,478. stepn is right now positioned 924 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $431,750,229 United States dollars. Using the general strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination dissimilarity, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for stepn, GMT, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant stepn, GMT, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. stepn, GMT, value expectation 2023 stepn, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year, GMT. The GMT cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.411867. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.38441 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable soon, given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. GMT is supposed to have a base worth of $0.329494. stepn, GMT, value expectation 2024 out of 2024, stepn GMT cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of GMT will before long outperform $0.686446. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the GMT's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, GMT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.549157 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.604072. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.961024 and GMT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. GMT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.878651 and a low of $0.823735 in 2025. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2026. In the event that STEPN effectively supports market feeling among digital money lovers, the GMT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GMT will be green in 2026. The GMT is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1.24, with a base cost of $1.10 and a typical cost of $1.15. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the GMT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.43 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.37 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, GMT has a greatest value worth of $1.51. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.70. In the event that GMT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.78. Neglecting to accumulate the help GMT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.65. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2029. While GMT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.92 and a yearly cost close above $2.06 in 2029. STEPN, GMT, Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, STEPN will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $2.20 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $2.33, averaging out at $2.25. STEPN, GMT,